2025 closeout deal. This is a 2025 East to West Della Terra 263RK, a rear kitchen model with 2 slide outs and a king bed. We'll start on the interior. Just to the right of the entry door, you'll find a convenient coat closet with a sliding door, perfect for jacket and gear and shoes. In the rear of the camper, the spacious kitchen. It features seamless countertops, stainless metal sink with a strainer and cutting board, large rear window that lets in tons of natural light. There is also an additional window on the door side, adding to the bright and open feel. The kitchen drawers have full extensions on metal glides. In the slide out, the first thing you'll notice are the large windows. Also very nice headroom in the slide out. The dinette includes a wall mounted table with an outlet, and that will easily convert into an extra bed. There are also deep storage drawers beneath both benches. And you'll appreciate that there's no carpet in this slide out room. The theater seating includes cup holders and built-in storage. We optioned this Della Terra with a smart TV, electric fireplace, and electric stabilizers. TV's on a swing arm. In the bathroom, you'll find kind of a conventional layout, but this Della Terra does have an upgraded porcelain toilet and a mirrored medicine cabinet. Okay, now let's check out the bedroom where I think this Della Terra really shines. You get a king bed, private entry door, large front wardrobe, and washer-dryer hookups. And if you don't use it for washer-dryer, you have just a huge door to get into the storage, so you can store a lot of gear there. All right, so let's take a look at the exterior. Actually, let's look under the bed. Usually a forgotten spot, but you see the struts on here on both sides. So that's going to be easy to get things in and out of, and it's a huge storage spot. All right, now let's go to the exterior. Yep, Della Terras come standard with king beds. So you'll notice a couple things I noticed. They don't skimp. So you have electric stabilizers, which is an option. Both doors have the MORride flip-up step. Generally, when you get 2 doors, as my camera goes in spaz mode, the second door will get just a standard steel step. So you have the upgrade on both steps, which is really nice. And then you'll notice the awning does cover both doors. Tankless water heater, spare tires already on here. And then there's a pre-mount for a ladder and for a backup camera. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.